Shall we say good morning, children?
Good morning, Mr. Brown and everyone.
Well, isn't it nice to be back in the school hall to do an assembly? Last week we were upstairs in your classroom. Today I just thought it would be nicer to be in the school hall. Today we're going to tell you a story from the Bible. Now, Year 4, you've had this story in our RE lessons a few weeks ago, but Year 6 is a story I'm sure you already know. I'm going to talk about the story of Noah and why it's important at this time. In the time of Noah, people argued a lot. They kept on doing really bad things. The world was full of hate, and everybody had forgotten how to be nice and how to do what God had told them. Things were really bad. People weren't looking out for each other, people were fighting, people were arguing. It just wasn't a nice place to be. Except for one person and one family. And that was Noah. Noah was still following God's rules. Noah was still listening to God. Noah was still looking out for his neighbour. God was very sad. He told Noah he wanted to start all over again. He wanted to build a new and a better world. He told Noah to go and build a huge ark. What's an ark? What is an ark? Oscar?
Basically a big boat.
Basically a big boat. In the Bible, it actually tells you the size the boat should be made. Some really old-fashioned measurements. So Noah and his family started to build the ark straight away. Now, we live in Hertfordshire, which is nowhere near the sea. Could you imagine if one of your neighbours started to build an ark in their garden? What would you think about that? If someone started building a really big boat in their garden? Charlie, what would you think?
I would think, what are they doing?
What are they doing? What would you think, Isla?
I would think it's a bit mad.
They're a bit mad. I think you're right. And that's what happened to Noah. All his neighbours and all these people that he knew who weren't very nice started to laugh. They would laugh. Look at Noah. He's building a great big boat. There's not even any water near us. What a strange man. Well, when he built the ark, God said to him, what I would like you to do, Noah, I'd like you to go out and I'd like you to go and get 2 of all the animals that you could think of. Now, what's your favourite? If you were sent to go and get 2 animals, a male and a female, what animals would you go and collect? What's your favourite animal, Aaron?
Lion.
A lion. Oh, you're very brave. Ava?
Monkey.
Monkey. Brilliant. Oscar? Tiger. You're brave as well. Maisie?
Hamster.
Hamster. That'd be easy, wouldn't they? Yes?
A giraffe.
Well done, Bress. Oh, they're beautiful, aren't they? Who's?
Black panther.
A black panther. Wow. Amazing. Charlie?
Leopard.
Leopards. Amazing. You're very brave, boys. What was your favourite animal?
A dog.
Dog. Oh, beautiful. Beautiful. So we've got lots of animals. You have to go out and collect these animals 2 by 2. Surely he's got a big boat in his garden and now he's collecting animals. They must have thought he'd gone completely mad. Had he? Something was going to happen. God said to Noah and his family, go into the ark and close all the doors. And he did just that. He closed the doors. And then it started to rain. At first, just a little bit. And then it started to rain a lot. In fact, it rained not just one day, not even 2 days. It rained for 40 days and 40 nights. And it didn't stop. And it says in the Bible, it flooded the world. And everything in the world, other than what was in the ark, perished or died and was no more. So all those bad things that had been going on were no more. All those people who had been unkind were no more. Things were different. Things were in the ark. All the animals and all Noah's family. And after 40 days, it had finally stopped raining. So Noah and his family came out of the ark. And they looked, and all they could see was sea. As far as their eye could see was sea. Anybody ever been on either a cruise or a ferry, and you get to the middle of the sea, and all you can see is water? Has anyone been in that situation? Where did you go?
There was when we went to France on the ferry.
Yeah, and you get to the middle, and all you can see, you look left, you look right, and all you can see, what are you, Maisie?
I was in Portugal.
Portugal, same. What about you, Ava? Where?
Around Italy.
Round, and Charlie?
I was in Disney.
Wow. Sophia?
What was the name?
Where?
Name.
Maine, is that in America?
Yeah.
Wow. sea, you can't see land. It's a bit disconcerting. I'm sure that's how Noah's family felt. But at the same time, probably quite relieved because it had stopped raining. Now, first day when it had stopped raining, he sent out a raven. And it didn't return. So the second day, he chose to send out a dove. And this time, it did return. And it came back with an olive branch. So today, we even think about olive branches. What does an olive branch stand for? What does it mean? If you see an olive branch, sometimes you might say, I'm going to hold out the olive branch. What does that mean to you? I'll tell you, we use the word olive branch as a peace offering. We're going to hold the olive branch. So it was a sign of peace. So peace had come back to the earth. And then he sent the dove out one more time. And this time the dove didn't come back. And over the next few days, the water went away and the ark, the big ship, settled. And as it settled, as we know, what appeared in the sky? What do you think appeared in the sky? We've been thinking about them a lot recently. You see them in people's houses at the moment. A rainbow. And God said he sent a rainbow as a reminder that he would never flood the world again, and also a reminder of hope. So God said that he wouldn't do that, and he sent rainbows. Every time you see a rainbow, whether it's in the sky or in somebody's window, it gives you hope. And at the moment, we're coming to the end, hopefully, of a very long lockdown for our country, and this gives us hope. And I think this story reminds us of two things. One, to think about each other. Two, that gives us hope. We know in the future things will be better. So we just put our hands together. We're going to say the Lord's Prayer. Because we've not said that for a while. I think it's important. And then we can go out to play. Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done, on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. Thy is the kingdom, the power